See that faint blue dot? That's our planet Earth. This is the famous picture taken by Voyager 1 in 1990 from 6.4 billion kilometers away. It's one of the most iconic photos ever. Besides Earth, Voyager 1 also took pictures of the Sun and other planets, 60 photos in total. When they got back to Earth, scientists put them together to create what we call the Solar System family portrait. But sadly, only 6 planets are in it. Mercury was too close to the Sun, so Voyager 1 couldn't get a shot of it, and Mars was hidden by the Sun's glare. This was also Voyager 1's last look back at Earth. After taking these photos to save power, its cameras were permanently turned off. Even though in the Solar System portrait, all the planets are just tiny dots, Earth looks especially fragile and unique. Looking at it here, it's like seeing a speck of dust floating in a huge, dark ocean. We call it the pale blue dot. It only takes up about 0.12 pixels in the whole picture, but this tiny, insignificant dot is our shared home. It's where billions of people laugh and cry, dream and hope, and live out their amazing stories. That includes you and me. No matter how huge the changes or events on Earth may be, from far out in space, it remains just a tiny, faint dot of light. As of April 1, 2025, Voyager 1 was over 24.8 billion kilometers from Earth. It's traveling at about 60,000 kilometers per hour, heading towards the center of the Milky Way. Rather than losing power completely in 2025, Voyager 1 will continue operating, with at least one instrument active into the 2030s. It's destined to never return to Earth, becoming the loneliest spacecraft ever. But before it leaves our solar system, it gave us this most precious photo. The pale blue dot, the only home for about 8 billion people today.